let's find us a new project for this week. The wood heart box. Okay. I bought this little box. I think it was over on Wish. You can see it's not that good quality and the two sides don't match quite as well. I gave it a quick coat of gesso. I then took out my box of Posca pens and randomly picked out the colors. I was drawing in some squares. I will leave the video without the sounds, the original sound, because it really hurt how the Posca pens scratched over the wood. The wood is really not that fine, as you can see maybe, so it really hurt my ears. I tried to mix up the color as much as I could, that I still had a nice mix. You can almost hear them scratch through the video. I'm sorry. I also put down the sides. And I was almost finished with the first side at this point. I then went over with a black Posca pen along the sides, so it gave it a cool outline. I did this as even as possible, but didn't work everywhere. But it gave it a great finish. I then started on the other side, and here I was trying not to get the same colors on both sides, so that there always would be a different color. I actually didn't like this side as much, and I'm glad I used this side with the missing piece on the right. So now the better side is on the top. I then filled the inside with this light purple. I used the black on the outside rim. And after a quick coat of my glossy varnish, my heart was finished. I really liked how it came out, and I will use this pattern on other projects. It looks really fun. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye!